rolling up here to Gingersnap Customs headquarters. It's on Snapchat, so Courtland's already been up and at 'em, getting heat on and getting ready to get started. So up here in Michigan, going to be working on head gaskets and potentially head replacement on his old 6.5, I guess, pulling truck. Calls Casper. So fun times up here. 0 dark 30 at up in Michigan, where it's currently cold. So it's 62 back home right now, but 30 degrees right now here. So good stuff. Oh, here he is now. Where are we at?
Where are we at? My garage.
So we're pulling
Accessory drives first, which is kind of a pain in the ass.
okay, something on this side I can get started with.
Yep. If you want to start by, I'm taking alternator, and I'll work on power steering side. Once we get power steering side off, then I can start working on intake column.
Got the alternator off, pulling
So there's
13 millimeter here.
There's one here.
Got a 13
here.
down there.
Yep. There's a tunnel in the back here. One on the behind this idler, and one on the far side. This side was just your 2 at the top. They go through. You can see the casting here is a tunnel, and then there's one that goes into the side here. There's a 90-degree L bracket at the bottom, and that pulls this whole accessory off drivers, and that'll pop that whole one off the passenger.
What's the 13?
You could pretty much tear this entire truck apart with 10, 11, 13, 15. Easy to ta-da!
Something will give if I keep yanking.
Well, let's try not to have you go quite that.
Somebody just stepped on a duck.
You gotta be careful, just like walking on wild animals. We're gonna PETA on a drag. Hey, look at that. Look at a valve cover. Alright, we're gonna save these because my new ones still haven't showed up.
If you want to reuse gaskets, you just gotta spit on them.
Oh, is that all you do?
I'm sure that came. Okay, it hit the ground.
It's under the truck. Hit the already broken connectors. Stellar.
Lead rush.
Typical GM.
Well, it is glued on, so.
Yeah, I know.
Then you shove a screwdriver into there, and it really needs glued on. This is the way.
Oh. I just hit the.
I think Mad made things worse, but I enjoyed it.
There we go. Oh, yeah. Give me the basketball, yes, oh, yes. Very clean. Okay, very, very clean. They look like rockers. Nothing's bent, so that's dope. Okay. I'll cut the film. We're going to do a walkthrough, and then I got to get a cardboard box.
Cut the film. Are you ready to splice it back together when you're done?
I was going to use duct tape. Gotta get my hand condoms off. I know this is very high tech, but it's the best way I can keep these things in order.
Are you using CAD for engine work?
Don't tell everybody. That's my secret. This is how we do this. Let's see, I got 8 push rods. Doesn't everybody use cardboard assisted design when they're doing work?
Usually when I use CAD, it's like, can't always do it.
Yep, use Casper's own blood to mark out where everything's gonna go. This is like such an awkward moment for me because this truck has been together for so long and I have resisted tearing it apart for so long. Your rockers are going to go back on, front to rear, driver's passenger. And this also helps you out with your push rods because push rods only go one way on these. And the last thing you want to do is pull them out, throw them in a bucket and go, ooh, what was up, what was down? So I'm going to go ahead and grab a pair of gloves here and start ripping these off and stick them in a box.
The whole rocker shaft assembly. Yep. What size is it? 15.
Alright, our custom rocker holder box.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But I thought it was the thought that counted.
Oh, it is the thought that counts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's set. Super. This is old, tired, rusty cheap.
It holds oil, and it's one thing that no 6.5's ever done. I keep my butt crack off camera if I can.
Want me to go get you my suspenders? You might need them. I know, this is like more fun than a barrel of monkeys, I'm aware.
I'm going barrel monkey stuff, but it does sound fun.
Over there. Yeah. Weird Petersburg stuff.
These are original GM bolts on, you're saying?
This truck has never been opened up. 183,000 miles.
Well, honestly, so this is actually how it went down. So it's like, what's the worst? Like, we want to see the worst spot we can get, and then the engineer goes, "Hold my beer and watch this."
Right.
You want a bullet you can't access? Actually, this isn't too bad though. There she is. You weren't using that anyway. All it needed was some light hazing and questioning its manhood. I think that's all of them. We'll smack on it for a while, realize we missed the bolt, and then fix what we break.
Or she doesn't.
Trying to go back and forth to not gall it too bad.
Still up through the floor.
That probably makes it really easy to slide this thing out. Oh.
You missing something?
Yeah.
A bolt. Missed completely?
Yeah.
I want to see if we can take the whole truck apart and show me that. Hold on.
Tap that, boy.
Oh, I'm tapping away. Tap, tap, tapping away. Because, you know, rust belt truck, broken threads, broken bolts. Bolts came out, threads came with it. Somebody else has been in here once before and helicoiled these probably long before I bought the truck. And they did not do us any favors at all. So, drilled it with a 1332 M10-15 replacement tap and heat coils. Doing this stuff so then my crossover stays good and sealed, make all the boostices, and that way it can be race truck again, not just farm truck. No promises though.
Race farm.
Race farm, there we go. Farm junk. There we go.
Threads like new.
Yeah, it's like I was never here, only better. And I'm gonna guess it's a standard looking at it. So I'm gonna do this one, and this one is metric. I'm not gonna try to fish a heel coil out of that.
Yeah.
So I'll use the bolt that came out that was on the other side. You'd think as many times as I've changed a crossover in this truck, I would realize that one's a 14 mil and the other ones are 15 mil heads, but apparently ignorance is bliss. We get these fixed, and that way I'm back off to the races with a good fastening point to hold my crossover on, and get back to it.
All right, well, this is where I'm leaving you with, Courtland.
I'll take what I can get at this point.
So yesterday, Black Friday, as you saw, we got the heads installed, all torqued down into place, and then this morning Courtland got the valve covers on, got it closed up, and is going to be finishing. Just got package in from Amazon for the old intake gaskets, and get those sealed up and
last piece of the puzzle.
ready to go. Unfortunately, it's time for Emily and I to head south, so we'll leave you and
I'll be here.
to get it back together. But
I'll send you a video when it runs.
yep. So yeah, he'll send a video of it running, and so you can see Courtland at Gingersnap Customs. He'll have the full detail of it. I'm just showing some highlights of just the work we did and kind of. Just the time of us doing it. He's the 6.5 liter guy, so
Yeah,
ask him questions, not me.
Yeah, don't ask Roach Fab Garage anything about 6.5 other than he knows how to ride in them, and I'll help with head gaskets.
Yeah, it doesn't have spark plugs, so for that reason, I'm out. All right, guys, thanks for watching Roach Fab Garage, and we'll catch you next time. Like, subscribe, all that junk.